guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I am planning for the week beginning April the 4th to the 10th in my memory planner using this CottageCore kit from SPC. I also paired it with some rose foil also from SPC. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So this week has a bunch of extenders, and I also returned to my newfound love of color blocking, and I think I did a good job. I struggled a bit color blocking the icons, so I kind of gave myself some leeway with that, but I tried my best. So if you see extra like bougie boxes in this kit, those are from a roll from Tilly Journals. So yeah, so I'm gonna do some more questions while you watch the rest of the base, and then we'll do the day by day. So the next question I'm gonna answer says, what is your biggest accomplishment? I don't know if this is gonna sound cheesy, but I think my biggest accomplishment is like giving birth to my son. Like, first I did it, like I did it. I pushed him out. I think that's a really big accomplishment. And also I was like, just how like great of a child he is, and he's just so smart and he's growing so well. So I'm very proud of him, and I like to boast about how like quickly he's developing and how early he's doing things and crawling and trying to talk and trying to walk. So yeah, I think that's my biggest accomplishment. As you can see on the screen, I did say at the beginning that I was colour blocking, but I forgot how it was clearly. So I put the headers in the wrong place, and then when I noticed at first I was going to just leave it, then I realized I'd already pulled the stickers and the stickers were color blocked. So then I decided to do them in the right place. So as you can see, the top row is in the right order obviously, and then I noticed, so you're going to see me pulling them up and putting them in the right order, or maybe you won't see it and I'm just going to come off screen and do it. I think that's what I did. But anyways, let's do another question. The next question is, what is your favorite book to read? Oh, I haven't read like a physical book in a very long time, but I would say that any book from Jacqueline Wilson, even as an adult, I just love her books. They're just so fun to read. And I found myself now reading like amateur books on like online reading sites, which is what I like to read, because they're easier to access, and I don't know, I just like books from like amateur writers. Well, they're not amateur writers, they're writers, but they don't have physical books, they just have books on like the online websites. That's the books I currently like to read. Next question is, what makes you laugh the most? I don't know, I feel like I can laugh really easily. Like, I like corny jokes and I find them funny, so I think it's very easy to make me laugh. I'm so sorry for all these planes. I live next to an airport, and apparently there's loads of people traveling today, and today is the day I'm doing a bunch of voiceovers, so you're going to hear planes in a couple of the voiceovers from like the last couple of weeks. But anyways, let's go into the day by day. So in the sidebar, I marked it being the 7th week of my maternity leave with this week 7 script from PMD Stickers and a maternity leave sticker from Bella Planner. I then noted that Malik was sick this week with this baby 6 sticker from Glam Planner. I use a Malik script in there also, that's for Mick Plans, but I don't think you can see it right now. So starting with, and as I said, I did change the headers as you can see now. So starting with Monday, I noted being tired AF with a face mask sticker from the foil bundle and a tired AF script from Carly Plans. I then marked my husband being at work with this laptop from, what is that shop called? Olive Studio. I noted Malik throwing up all day long with this vomiting sticker from Much More Love. I noted the Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from SPC and a binge Plan With Me script from Temp Loves Craft. In the extender, I noted having some breakfast with this cutlery icon from the foil bundle and a breakfast script from Carly Plans. I then noted getting a baby monitor with this baby monitor sticker from Papershire. I know, because I was going to be by myself with the baby, so I wanted it. I haven't used it much though. I then used a TV icon from the kit and foil bundle to note watching more Teen Wolf. And then I noted some more playing time with a paperclip icon from a Caress Press bundle and the Planning Time script also from a Caress Press bundle. I noted some Malik cuddles with this Pink Diamond PlanWithAds girl and baby, and a Malik cuddles custom script from Tilly Journals. I then noted Malik taking a nap in his nest with this baby nest sticker from Beneva's Creation and a nap script from SBC. I then noted some more blowouts with a diaper sticker from PMD Stickers. I noted giving him a bath with a bath icon from a Caress Press foil bundle and a bath strip from SBC. I then noted Malik snuggling with his dad with this PMD Stickers dad and baby sticker and a daddy snuggle script from Carly Plans. I noted do some laundry with a washing machine icon and from the foil bundle and kit and a laundry script from SBC. Then I noted reading to him with this Beneva's Creation Mama reading to her baby sticker and a read script also from SBC. This Purple Day was so cute to me. On to Tuesday, I noted Malik waking up at 1 a.m. and like being up and active with this baby crawling sticker from What's One Love. I noted being a bit annoyed at my husband because I was awake and he was not with this annoyed girl from Paper.co. I then noted being super duper tired with a sleep mask sticker from SBC and a tired AF script from Carly Plans. Noted having a snack at 2 a.m. after putting Malik back to sleep because I woke up and ended up being hungry. I used a Beneva's Creation sticker for that. I noted having a bath before 10 with this Starshine girl from Jalen Paper Co. and a bath script from SBC. I noted taking out my hair with this pink hair sticker from Carly Plans. I noted my sister-in-law coming over with this Mick Plans pig sticker and with my aunt's script from Planner Hannah. Then I noted snuggling with Malik with this sticker to Planko boy and mum sticker and a Malik Cuddles script from Randy the Plant. I then noted that Malik was giggling and having all the kisses with this Planner Hannah icon. I noted looking at him and thinking he had gotten so big, which is crazy to think because now he's even bigger with this Papershire baby sticker, and I just wrote he's so big. I used this baby washing line sticker from Papershire and a laundry script from SBC to note doing some more laundry because when you're a mum the laundry never ends. Next I noted watching some more Teen Wolf with a TV icon from SBC. I then noted being in my feelings with a crying girl from Fox and Cactus and an in my feelings script from SBC. And then I noted cuddling with Malik in bed with this Glam Planner sticker and a cuddle script from, you guessed it, SBC. So on to Wednesday. Do I have an extend on every one of these days? Yes, except from Sunday. That's crazy. So on to Wednesday, I marked being tired AF with a pillar icon from the kit and foil bundle and a tired AF script from Carly Plans. I then marked having some Malik snuggles with the stick with the PlanCo sticker and a Malik cuddles script from Randy.plans. I then used a baby grow icon from PMD Stickers and a Happy Meal script from Sugar Box Stickers to know I got some Happy Meal for Malik this day. I noted having some breakfast with this toast and egg sticker from SBC and a breakfast script from Carly Plans. Then I noted using the baby camera while I was making breakfast with the baby camera sticker from Papershire. I noted Malik was in his Mum and Root bouncing chair with this icon from Planner Hannah. I then noted that Plan With Me boomed with a sticker icon from SBC and a binge Plan With Me script from Temp Loves Craft. I marked that Malik was fussy this day with a crying baby sticker from Much More Love and a Malik Fussy custom script from Tilly Journals. I then used a diaper sticker from PMD Stickers to note another big blowout. I'm tired of his poop going everywhere, honestly. I noted sorting out my buggy with this sticker with a PlanWithAds girl with like a pushchair, basically, because this was the first time I actually used it. I then used a baby's appointment icon from PMD Stickers and appointment script from Correct Press, I believe, to note going to his appointment. I then used a heart icon from the SPC foil bundle to note that it was all good and he was fine. I then used a stethoscope icon from SPC to note that then I had to get my, I think this was the 6 week check-in. Then I had to get my check-in, and then I checked my stitches. I then used this chip icon from the SPC foil bundle to note that I got some takeout. On to Thursday, I noted sleeping in with a sleep mask from SPC and a sleep in script also from SPC. I noted that while I was sleeping in, Alec was with his grandma with this grandma sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio and a with grandma script from Planner Hannah. Then noted having some breakfast with this, I don't know what this character is called, but the sticker is from Sweet Quiet Design, and a breakfast script from from Kylie Plants. Then I noted Malik was in his bouncer chair with this bouncer icon from Planner Hannah. I noted that Malik was watching the TV and actively looking at what was on the TV with a TV icon from Paper Candy Art, and a Malik script is from Adorably Amy Designs. I noted another Plan With Me binge with planner sticker from Paper and Milk. Then I noted cuddling with Malik with this Joy of Planning sticker and a cuddle Malik script from Tilly Journals. I noted my husband gaming with a controller icon from Kylie Plans and a babe gaming script from Adorably Amy Designs. Then used this cutlery icon from SBC to note getting some takeout. I used a ring icon from Planner Hannah to note that my friend got engaged this day. I used a phone icon from SPC to note that I called or got a call from my healthcare visitor. I don't know which one it was. I then noted that Malik started getting some bad eczema with the light lotion icon sticker from SPC. I noted doing some sticker shopping with this Andrew I Take All My Money sticker from SPC anniversary. Did I not scroll up or did I already do it? I think I probably shopped from SPC, and I used a sticker shopping script from Adorably Amy Designs. I then noted that Malik was super hungry with the bottle icon from Kylie Plants. On to Friday, I noted waking up early again with alarm clock icon from SPC. I then noted showering and getting ready before 10 with this bath icon from Paper Candy Art. I noted cuddling with my baby with this Pink Diamond PlanWithAds girl and a cuddle with Malik script from Brandy.Plans. I noted that Malik was with his grandma again this morning with a grandma sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio and a with grandma script from Planner Hannah. I then noted, so that was what I got ready. Then I noted getting him ready with this baby rose sticker from PMD Stickers. I noted binging more Plan With Me's with a cutlery cup sticker from a freebie from a shop I do not know. Then use an icon for Planner Hannah to note him being in his Monaroo bouncy chair. Then I noted our healthcare visitor appointment with a stethoscope icon from SBC and an appointment script also from SBC. In the bottom of Friday, this was a long day. I noted starting Malik on vitamins since he was on breastfed. This vitamin sticker is from PlanWithAds. Then I noted I had a stuffy nose with a box of tissue sticker from Kylie Plans. Then I noted that Malik was also feeling sick with this sick baby sticker from, what's it called? The Glam Planner. I noted that he was sleeping so much because he was so unwell with this crib sticker from PMD Stickers. I noted being in my feelings and in a bit of a mess because he was not well, and it was obviously the first time he was sick, with this crying sticker from Room to Cat Studio, and an In My Feelings script from SBC. Then I noted watching Teen Wolf with a Netflix icon from a Caress Press foil bundle. Then I used this Harriet Rat Designs comb and scissors icon to note taking it out, or finishing taking out my hair. This was my birth hair, so it took a while for me to take it out. But that was Friday. On to Saturday. At the top of Saturday, I marked buying some more stickers with this Starshine Girl from from Jalen Paper Co. And I buy a sticker script from Plan a Face. Then noted that Malik was still sick with this Glam Planner sticker. Noted giving him all the cuddles with this Stick with a Plan Co. Mum and Baby sticker. And a cuddle with Malik's script from Randy.Plans. Noted getting some Happy Mail with this Happy Mail sticker from SBC and a script from Sugarbox Stickers. I then noted playing with those said stickers with a Stick with a Plan Co. Girl playing with stickers and a play with sticker script from Carly Plans. I noted the Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Paper and Milk and a binge planner with me script from Temp Loves Craft. Next, I noted my friend coming over to meet Malik with this PMD sticker Girl and Baby sticker to note that. Then I noted who came over. Somebody came over. I can't remember who because I didn't write the name, and I don't think it's my brother, but it might have been my brother. I noted Malik being with his uncle with the baby sticker from Once More With Love, and with my uncle's script from Hannah. Oh yes, it was my brother. Then I noted getting some Nando's with this cutlery sticker from SBC. I noted some family time, meaning some family visits with a heart icon from the foil bundle and from an old SBC foil bundle, and a family time script from Caress Press. I had recently finished Teen Wolf, so then I noted moving on to the Shannara Chronicles with this laptop icon from the kit. I then washed my hair, and I noted that using this Wash Your Hair sticker from Sugary Gal Shop. Then noted that Malik was sleeping a lot all day with the sleeping sticker from I don't remember, Glam Planner. Why can't I not remember Glam Planner right now? And a sleep all day script from SBC. On to Sunday, I noted that Malik was still feeling a bit poorly with this Glam Planner sticker. Then noted giving him all the cuddles with this cuddle sticker from Stick with a Plan Co. and a Malik cuddles script from Tilly Journals. I noted having some family time with a star icon from the kit and a family time script from Mick Planned, meaning more family visited. I then used a balloon sticker from a freebie from, I don't know, and a Eat All the Cake script from a foil bundle to note that maybe somebody brought us cake. I don't know what this means, because why would I have cake on the 10th of April? Maybe somebody brought me cake, or I bought cake. Something along those lines. I cannot tell you. Then I noted some planning time with the Stick with the Plan Go Gal planning and a planning time script from SBC. I noted a Plan With Me binge with another Paper and Milk planner sticker and a binge Plan With Me script from Temp Loves Craft. Then I noted watching more Shannara Chronicles with a laptop icon from the foil bundle. And then I noted that Malik slept on my chest with the Glam Planner sticker. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this video. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a wiggle and also for the kit. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye!